Look at the viscosity. It also has some wax. Hello guys, this is late in the night and I'm not able to sleep, so I want to make a sleep inducing green tea, and I'm trying to make as less noise as possible because people are sleeping. So we'll use honey. And we'll use a cup. Water is boiling. And I'm using a very special tea today. Again, not a sponsored video. They don't know me, I don't know them. Yeah. So, chamomile lavender. Chamomile is a sleep inducer. It helps you fall asleep. So if you're having trouble sleeping in the night, have a chamomile tea an hour before you go to the bed and it will help you. Oh my, I actually first need to put some honey in. And this is again something I've ordered from Amazon. This is Indigenous Honey, certified organic. They send a big certificate along with the honey. And I'm already drowsy, so I'm opening the can and then I'm tilting, which you can see. But it's really good quality honey, pure honey. It's difficult to get pure honey in India until you know someone who supplies it organically. So they supply it. They're available on Amazon. I can leave a link. I'm very happy. This is, I think, the 4th time I've ordered honey from them. So just half a cup of water, and we'll add this organic honey, and it's really nice. Look at the viscosity. It also has some wax, so not like those dabur honeys which you usually see are flowing like a like a free flow salt. And the tea goes in. Very good quality tea by Vadham. I don't know what they call it. I think Vadham is what they are called. And I really love the smell of chamomile. It just adds so much to the aroma. It has actually rained very heavily, so I can hear the crickets outside. I'll sit here, have my tea, and then I'll go to the bed. Good night.